Hi guys, in this short video, I am gonna tell you that how you can easily fix Instagram Reels lagging. So that's quite simple. Before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. Thank you. So if your Instagram Reels are lagging while swiping you have found the right video. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to open the Instagram application. Then simply tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down all the way until you find an option of media quality. Now simply click on it. Now you can see there are three options, but the top one, if you see use less mobile data, it means that using less mobile data may affect your experience. And on Instagram, for example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So you will have to toggle this off. Now your Instagram reels will stop lagging and they will easily load faster. So that's how you can easily fix Instagram reels lagging. So if you found the video helpful,